You mentioned various celebrity and high-profile figures that don't seem to be fully behind Trump's new foreign agenda, and you mentioned podcast hosts as well, one of them being Joe Rogan, and he was very influential in Trump's election campaign. Should Trump be concerned about Rogan's influence?
Yes, I think so. During the election in 2024, that seemed to become a key part of the Trump coalition. These podcasters and influencers, some of them at least in the so-called manosphere. Certainly, Rogan has gone on the record describing the war in Iran as crazy and making Americans feel that they've been betrayed by Trump. They think Trump should be a domestically focused president, looking at the so-called culture war issues, certainly bringing down prices as he promised, dealing with immigration, although Rogan's also had concerns that's an overreach. And they're all a little bit baffled why this the second Trump term has been so dominated by foreign policy.